Let's talk about money, that ever-present force in our lives. It dictates so much of what we do, from the mundane to the monumental. We earn it, save it, spend it, and often worry about it. But have you ever stopped to consider the very nature of money itself? What it represents, how it functions, and who controls it, and how it's changing? The way we interact with money is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by technological advancements and a growing desire for greater financial autonomy. We're moving beyond the traditional systems and embracing new possibilities. For decades, we've relied on banks and cards, the established institutions that have long been the gatekeepers of our financial lives. We've entrusted them with our savings, our transactions, and our financial futures. But this reliance has come at a cost, often involving fees, restrictions, and a lack of transparency. But now, a quiet revolution is shifting power from institutions to individuals. This shift is subtle yet significant, driven by innovative technologies that are democratizing finance and putting control back into the hands of the people. This isn't just a new app, it's a fundamental change in how we perceive and interact with money. It's about empowering individuals to manage their finances with greater ease, security, and control. It's a reimagining of money itself, powered by blockchain. Blockchain technology provides a secure, transparent, and decentralized platform for financial transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries and fostering greater trust. Blockchain is more than Bitcoin. It's the underlying technology that makes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies possible, but its potential extends far beyond digital currencies. It's the backbone of Web3, a new internet where you control your assets. Web3 promises a more decentralized and user-centric online experience where individuals have greater ownership and control over their data and digital assets. At the forefront is Pi Network, a fascinating project that embodies the spirit of this new era. It's a bold attempt to create a digital currency that is accessible to everyone regardless of their technical expertise or financial background. A project building a global digital currency, aiming to create a more inclusive and equitable financial system for the world. That's secure, easy, and user-owned. Pi Network prioritizes security, simplicity, and user empowerment, making it a compelling alternative to traditional financial systems. Pi runs on your phone, utilizing a unique consensus mechanism that minimizes energy consumption and makes it environmentally friendly, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere, breaking down geographical barriers and fostering financial inclusion on a global scale. No complex trading, no complicated charts or technical jargon to decipher. Pi Network is designed for everyday users, not just seasoned investors, just practical, everyday use. Imagine using Pi to pay for your coffee, split a bill with friends, or send money to family members across borders, all with ease and convenience. The goal? Real financial freedom for real people. Pi Network aims to empower individuals to take control of their financial lives and achieve greater financial independence. We'll explore how Pi Network is leading this shift, focusing on community and accessibility. The project places a strong emphasis on building a vibrant and supportive community, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to participate and benefit from the network. This isn't just tech. It's about using technology to create a more equitable and just financial system for all. It's about reclaiming control over your financial life. It's about having the power to make informed decisions about your money and to participate in a financial system that is fair, transparent, and accessible. We'll compare the old Web2 banking world to the promise of Web3, examining the key differences and the potential benefits of a decentralized financial system. Pi Network is our case study, a community-first approach to digital money. We'll delve into the project's unique features, its community-driven governance model, and its vision for the future of finance. Let's dive into how this new era is unfolding. Get ready to explore the exciting world of decentralized finance and discover how Pi Network is paving the way for a more inclusive and empowering financial future. Before we look ahead to the exciting possibilities of decentralized finance and how it can reshape our financial landscape, let's break down the system we know. The traditional financial system that governs so much of our economic lives. We need to understand its inner workings, its strengths, and perhaps more importantly, its limitations. Web2 finance. Banks, the cornerstones of this system, credit card companies, facilitating our daily transactions, and payment processors, the invisible infrastructure that moves money around the globe, are the middlemen in every transaction, acting as trusted third parties. Your paycheck, for instance, travels through a maze of institutions, a complex web of transfers and verifications before it finally lands in your account, ready for you to use. These central entities approve, scrutinize, record, meticulously documenting every financial move, and ultimately control your money, dictating how and when you can access it. Sure, they offer security, a sense of safety and protection against fraud and theft. Lose your card and the bank can help. They can freeze your account, issue a new card, and investigate unauthorized transactions, but it comes at a cost often hidden in the fine print. They decide who gets loans, shaping economic opportunities and influencing investment decisions, set fees for everything from overdrafts to international transfers, and control transaction speed, often resulting in frustrating delays and waiting periods. Your money sits in their vaults, part of their reserves, used for their own investments and lending activities. And you need their permission to use it, subject to their rules and regulations. Banks profit by lending your deposits at higher rates, earning substantial revenue from the interest rate spread, while you see little return, often struggling to keep pace with inflation. Every swipe of your card, every online purchase sends a cut to the bank, adding to their ever-growing profits. Billions of transactions processed daily, globally, mean billions in fees for them, a constant stream of revenue generated from your financial activity. The result? A system where institutions profit from your activity, from your savings, your spending, and your borrowing, while you have little say in how the system operates and limited control over your own financial destiny. The Web2 model is built on centralization, a hierarchical structure with power concentrated in the hands of a few, and intermediaries adding layers of complexity and cost to every transaction. It's time to rethink this model, to question its inherent inequalities, who really benefits from this system, and whether there's a better way forward. Enter Web3 and decentralized finance, DeFi. The core idea: eliminate the middleman. Blockchain is a global, tamper-proof ledger maintained by a network, not a single company. Transactions are verified and recorded transparently without banks. Smart contracts, self-executing code, replace paperwork and approvals. Your crypto wallet gives you true ownership. Only you control your assets. No bank can freeze your funds or charge hidden fees. You can lend, borrow, or trade directly with anyone, anytime. DeFi lets you earn interest, use assets as collateral, and transact globally. No broker required. The system is open, fair, and accessible. Power shifts from institutions to users. Your wallet is your gateway to this new world. This is the promise of Web3 finance. Pi Network takes a unique approach. Accessibility first. Instead of targeting traders, Pi lets anyone mine coins from their phone, simply by proving they're real and active. No heavy computing, no battery drain, just daily participation. This has built a community of over 55 million users before even launching its mainnet. Pi's vision is bigger than a coin. It's an ecosystem for apps and marketplaces powered by Pi. Real utility, not speculation, drives value. By building community first, Pi is creating a stable, user-owned digital economy. The focus is on genuine adoption, not hype. It's a new model for global digital commerce. What truly drives the Pi Network ecosystem? What is the engine that keeps everything running smoothly and efficiently? Smart contracts. These are the unsung heroes, the silent workhorses behind the scenes. These are programs, lines of code meticulously crafted and deployed on the blockchain, designed to execute agreements automatically without the need for intermediaries. They are self-executing contracts written in code. Forget the complexities and costs associated with traditional systems like PayPal or escrow services. Here, code handles the transaction, ensuring transparency and security every step of the way. The logic is built right into the contract. On Pi, smart contracts will power everything, revolutionizing how we interact and transact in the digital world, from freelance platforms connecting talent with opportunities in a seamless and trustworthy manner, to insurance streamlining claims and payouts with unparalleled efficiency, and crowdfunding, empowering creators and innovators to bring their visions to life. Imagine hiring a freelancer through a Pi-powered platform. The agreed-upon funds are securely held in a smart contract, acting as a digital escrow, and are released instantly to the freelancer when the work is approved, verified, and meets the predefined criteria. No more endless chasing payments or sending reminders. and absolutely no exorbitant middleman fees eating into your profits. Insurance payouts become swift and automated, wills can be executed with greater certainty and reduced legal overhead, and fundraising campaigns can operate with unparalleled transparency and accountability. These processes can all be automated, creating a transparent and trustworthy system for everyone involved. Developers can build decentralized applications, or dApps, for virtually any use case imaginable, all running seamlessly and securely on Pi's innovative blockchain. Smart contracts bring a new level of trust, unparalleled speed, and unmatched efficiency to every workflow. They're not just a feature, they're the very backbone of a fair, automated, and truly decentralized digital economy. On Pi, the code isn't just code, it's the law, ensuring fairness and predictability for all participants. This is more than just an upgrade, this is the future of agreements, secure, instant, and open to all, regardless of location or background. What if you could be your own bank? With Pi, you can. A Pi Bank dApp would let users lend and borrow directly, governed by smart contracts. Lenders deposit Pi into a pool and earn rewards from interest paid by borrowers. Interest rates adjust automatically based on supply and demand. Borrowers put up digital assets as collateral. No credit checks, just code. If a loan isn't repaid, the contract liquidates collateral to protect lenders. No corporate profits. Users earn the rewards. The platform takes only a small fee for maintenance. This flips traditional banking. The community, not a corporation, benefits. Anyone can lend and borrow and earn passive income. It's transparent, fair, and user-driven. With Pi, you control your financial destiny. The Pi Exchange is more than a trading platform. It's a global peer-to-peer marketplace. Pioneers can buy and sell goods or services directly, using Pi as payment. Think of it as a decentralized eBay, open to anyone, anywhere. Designers, bakers, creators, anyone can offer their skills or products for Pi. Transactions are fast, with minimal fees and no banks involved. With millions of users, the Pi Exchange could become one of the world's largest decentralized markets. Value circulates within the community, strengthening the currency. Unlike Amazon or Etsy, there's no corporate gatekeeper or hefty commission. Smart contracts enforce fair rules, not profit motives. It's commerce by the people, for the people. If Pi is used for real-world trade, what's it worth? Most crypto prices swing wildly, making them impractical for daily use. Pi aims for stability with the Global Consensus Value, GCV. Instead of traders, the community agrees on Pi's value for goods and services. This shared belief anchors prices inside the Pi ecosystem. If enough people use GCV, it creates a stable internal economy. Over time, this could influence Pi's external price. It's a bold experiment price discovery by the people, not speculators. The goal is a reliable, community-driven digital currency. Let's bring it all together. Web2 finance put power in the hands of institutions. Web3 and Pi put it back in yours. With Pi, your wallet is your bank, your identity, and your gateway to a global economy. You can lend, borrow, trade, and earn, no permission needed. Smart contracts and GCV create a self-sustaining, user-owned ecosystem. Value flows to participants, not corporations. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or just want control, Pi offers a seat at the table. This is about more than tech. It's about financial empowerment. The future is decentralized. With Pi, you are the bank.